Here is minus. Therefore, here minus 1 because 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Okay. 4. To find two equal numbers that multiply is 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, equal, perfect. Therefore is 2. Okay, here is okay.